Welcome everybody. Today I will be showing you a full detailed review of the Adidas Ultra Boost. Okay, let's get into it. By the name Ultra Boost, you would think that it would have the brand new little boost material that's from Adidas that makes the shoe super comfortable. Way more comfortable than Yeezys. Yes, you heard me. I said that. Way more comfortable than Yeezys. See if it focuses. Well, it doesn't want to focus. Oh, whatever. The Ultra Boost is a great runner that has become one of the most popular shoes in the United States. Yeah. Let's see the inside of the shoe. It used to say Ultra and then Boost. You could see Boost a little bit, but Ultra has wore off from me using them so much. See, the sole is dirty. The sole is made of Continental. Let's see if you can read that. Continental, like from the material that they make the tires, like the Continental company. That's what the sole is, and it has a bunch of holes showing the Boost material. It's really cool. In the middle it says Torsion System. Wait, let's see. Yeah. Torsion System. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. Okay, these are a size 7, so they're a grade school size. So I got them for $160. But if you were a men's size, you would get these shoes for $180. Yes, that's a lot expensive for a runner, but whatever. It's in this colorway. It has a gradient pattern that says it goes from black to gray to lighter gray and then to this super light gray. It's made out of Primeknit, and this material is super comfortable and flexible. Look how you can see my finger through these holes. You can see it. It has gray laces, and this Adidas material, where it says Adidas, surrounding it is reflective 3M. The Boost is super good. It has the 3 stripes, and it has 4 lace holes. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I lace them a really cool way, because you get these laces, and then you put them through the middle of the 3 stripes, and then through the hole, then through the middle of the 3 stripes and through the hole, and then it comes out short, so you could do this. If you want to know if you want to see me doing a tutorial on how to lace these Ultra Boost, I'll do it later in the coming week. Here it says Ultra in silver and then Boost in gold. See, Ultra, Boost in gold. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know really anything else to tell you. You see here, size 7. Let's see if it focuses. Nope, no focus. I don't know what's up with my camera today. So yeah, that's about everything I need to tell you. The stripes are black, obviously, and they're super comfortable runner, and it's a great shoe to have in anyone's collection. Yeah, that's about it. Peace out, guys.